In this chapter, you'll learn how to use Twitter to market your content. But first things first, you need to know how to use Twitter, which is quite simple. Type in twitter.com and you'll be directed to the login page. You need to sign up for an account if you have yet to have one. Click on the Sign Up option and sign up for an account. When you have signed up for an account, you are then required to fill in your details, such as your mobile number, your username, and your interests. You can also import your contacts through Gmail. When you've completed the process, you need to have followers and followings. Followers are people that will follow your account. Followings are the people you follow through your account. Your profile and account is only visible to your followers if you set your account to private. However, if you set your account to public, everyone has access and can view your account. To interact and engage through Twitter is quite simple. Tweets or tweeting is when you express or share what you want to say with a limit of 140 characters. Meanwhile, replying to a tweet is when you reply to a person's tweet. It's like an open conversation. Mentions is when you mention or tag a person through your tweet. This is usually to initiate a conversation with the other party. Retweeting or quoting tweets happens when you copy or duplicate another person's tweet. This will appear on your feed and is visible to your followers. Likes is when you like a person's tweet and is represented by a heart-shaped icon. Direct messages is a function provided by Twitter where you can direct messages to anyone privately on Twitter. You can now begin tweeting.